I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening your image in Photopea and immediately unlocking the background so you can edit freely. Once done, duplicate that unlocked layer to preserve a backup. This step prevents accidental loss. Next, set the view to 100% or the working zoom you prefer, and use the Move tool to center the subject. Make sure layer 0 copy is selected for removal work, because you'll perform destructive selections there while keeping the original intact. You now create a precise selection around the subject using Quick Selection for soft edges, Magic Wand for uniform backgrounds, or the Pen tool for crisp control. Once selected, go to Select Refine Edge or Select and Mask to smooth and feather the border. Try 0, 5 to 3px feather depending on image scale. Adjust the radius and shift edge until the hair and fine details look natural. Finally, apply the selection as a layer mask so you can tweak You finish by cleaning the mask. Select the mask thumbnail and paint with a soft white or black brush to restore or hide areas. Lower brush opacity for subtle blending. Then place a temporary solid color layer beneath to inspect edge halos and refine with Select Modify if needed. Once satisfied, disable the background filler and export as PNG to preserve transparency. If edges look jagged, try slightly increasing feather or using Select Refine Edge one more time. This usually fixes fringe issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.